crazy rhythm of the city, the hustle and bustle, endless traffic jams, I'm tired of everything. The only way to gain freedom is a motorcycle. When you're on a motorcycle and alone with the world around you, all problems and worries disappear. When you're on a motorcycle, you can't think about anything. All that remains is the feeling of speed and adrenaline in the blood. The road beckons you. At speed, the noise of the motor drowns out all sounds, and its vibration enters the hard rhythm. Nothing escapes the field of view. And at that moment you are no longer on the road, you are in it, you are a part of it. Cars, landscapes, it's like scenery disappearing behind your back. Sometimes I forget what a pleasure it is. That's why I love these trips. Problems, worries, there are none. There's nothing to worry about except what's in front of you. Things that make you happy should be nearby. People switch to a motorcycle in search of change. Some people change their jobs, others their social circle, and someone decides to go to a dream meeting, buys a bike to radically change their lives. Do you want to find freedom? Escape from the problems, the hustle and bustle of the city? Get on the bike, start it up, and feel how your essence is filled with something inexplicable. Turn on the gear, release the clutch handle, and unscrew the throttle. That's it, your freedom.